Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from Agrimetsoft Research Company, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to use Sumproduct function in Excel. So basically Sumproduct is used when you want to have the sum of multiplication of two or more arrays of data together. So for example, here I have two columns of data. What I want is that Excel gets each two numbers, multiplies each two, and then sums all of these products actually together. So what I will do is to first put an equal mark, then go for typing Sumproduct. Then I will select the first and I put a comma and then select the second data set. Close the parentheses, and that's the result of multiplying each two numbers together and then summing up all of them. Remember that Sumproduct, if you use it just by selecting the whole range, what it will give you is just the summation of all of this data. You can test it by going through sum function and selecting the same data set. You can see the results is of course the same. So what you will do is to select different ranges, and then it will do that for you. So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our Agrimetsoft channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.